The most difficult question the students find in the O-level business studies paper is a question that requires evaluation. So I have told you many times how to attempt such questions. So let's have a look at another question of similar type in this video as well. So let me read the question for you. Do you think being ethical will always lead to lower profit for a business? Justify your answer. Now, this question can be attempted in a certain way, you know that. And one way is that you can give argument in favor of the statement, at least one argument, then another argument against the statement, and then you can come up with your own opinion. But that opinion has to be backed up by solid reasoning. It has to be a logical answer when it comes to evaluation. So in this question, you can first talk about that how ethical business can have higher profit. Then in the second paragraph, you can talk about how ethical business can have lower profits as well. And then it's entirely up to you whether you want to go in favor of the statement or against, but for that you need to have a solid reason behind it. Now let me read the answer for you. Ethical business can avoid bad publicity from the pressure groups. So this is in red color because this is knowledge, right? So knowledge is bad publicity. As a result, business can keep its brand image intact and hence able to charge higher price despite competition, leading to higher profit. So this is in blue color and this is analysis, because I'm showing the impact of being an ethical business. You can avoid bad publicity and that can eventually help business to increase profit. So knowledge and analysis, two objectives are there, and you know that in this question there are 2 marks for knowledge, 2 for analysis and 2 for evaluation. Now the second argument, and obviously it has to be against the argument I gave. However, ethical business has a higher cost, such as a manufacturing business needs to dump their waste properly, that involves transportation cost. So again, this is in red color, that is knowledge, and I mentioned that it would increase the cost, okay, and I clearly mentioned that transportation cost would increase by giving an example, okay, leading to higher overall cost and hence lower profits. So this is part of analysis, and that is why it is in blue color. So up till now I have gained 2 marks for knowledge and 2 for analysis. I have given 1 argument in favor of the statement and 1 argument against the statement. Now it is on my discretion whether I favor the statement or not. Okay, now let's see the evaluation part. I believe ethical business will not always lead to lower profits, as unethical activity may become illegal later. That might force business to stop operating for a while till it changes its location or work practices, if let's say it is against the law. As a result, business would suffer loss of output, leading to low revenue and profit. Therefore, ethical business can avoid such a loss and earn higher profit than unethical business. So I mentioned clearly that why I am supporting that an ethical business can have higher profits. So I am clearly against the statement of the question that it is not necessary that ethical businesses will always lead to lower profit. So I gave another reason, but that reason should not have been discussed earlier in the body of the answer. It has to be a new point. This is my evaluation, and now I'll get a 6 out of 6 because I will get 2 out of 2 for evaluation as well. To see more videos like it, do watch my channel.